welcome back to the channel. In this video we're looking at 3 meme coins I'm very bullish on in no particular order. I'm equally bullish on all 3. Now we can just see quickly highlighting and recapping. Bitcoin is at 92.6k right now, and we are teasing potentially breaking through to $93,000, putting through historical highs yet again. And overall, just seeing the blockchain valuation at 3.1 trillion, we're sitting again at a blockchain valuation all-time high. I think we are in a great place to see slow, steady growth in this market as we consolidate around these euphoric levels. So let's check it out, guys. A great day on crypto bubbles. We're seeing some OG coins come back to life like XTZ, Hadira, and overall I am feeling very bullish, especially if this Bitcoin breaks out to $100,000, which I think is so possible this month. Even this month, a lot can happen in a day with blockchain, and I think that's what we've all learned around here for sure. Now, of course, before we do dig into the first coin, which we are going to look at, or we might just in, check out the Patreon because we've got some incredible things coming up. We've got a straight to DEX coin coming literally this week, I believe, and it's going to be a stealth launch, and a lot of people in the Patreon and the Discord are seriously excited to hear about it. It's very similar to Smog from March, April that happened this year, which did a 50x. So if you are someone that is interested in making more money and making more sort of crypto gains, amplifying your portfolio through signals and all that other sort of stuff, like I say, it's only for people that are interested in actually making more money and growing their portfolio. So it depends. If you are interested in that, then you can check out the link down below. If not a problem. Let's just jump in with coin number 1, which is Brett. Why am I bullish on Brett right now? Firstly, Brett has an incredible tokenomic and supply structure. You can see 100% of all the circulating supply, or the max supply, is in circulation, so you're not going to see any token dilution. That is why the price and the market cap just looks 100% identical, because there's no schedule or there's no supply release that's happening to dilute the value of the tokens. Secondly, it's a base chain coin, and a lot of base tokens are also flying high, with base having products like the base wallet, the Coinbase wallet. It introduces a lot of noobs into the market. And thirdly, it's done all this, but it's not even on Binance or Coinbase. So should we see this meme coin here, this Brett coin, list in better places, bigger exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, then it's absolutely, in my opinion, going to go parabolic. And now would be a great time for it. It's just sitting below its previous all-time high. We're seeing a very nice daily candle here, broken out of this falling wedge on the 4-hour time frame as well. So it has, of course, come down a little bit from almost an all-time high at 0.194. The actual all-time high occurred over here in June 2024. It reached 0.1955. That was the true all-time high according to the Bybit centralized exchange. And we can see over here, we're getting a little bit of clipping on the 4-hour time frame. The price is coming down a bit, but it's nothing too sort of crazy. I wouldn't be too worried. Now, the support region is 0.15823. That's the support level that we're looking at the bottom of this falling wedge. So unless Brett does fall below this, then I'm not worried. If it comes down below this region here, I might start to think, oh, we're going to see a slight correction. But right now it looks bullish, and we can see on the relative strength index it was overbought at 82 RSI. It's cooled down, it's consolidating a bit. On the daily, it was overbought as well. And when we go to 70, 80, 90 levels on the RSI, this is where you usually do get a pullback. It happened last June. You can see hit 82 RSI and it pulled back. So we will eventually get a pullback after all this, by the way. But right now, the trajectory does look good. The markets are very strong, and never underestimate the power of extreme greed in these markets, because it can be enough to really push these coins through and beyond, So if you're looking to buy Brett coin, of course, you can use the link down below for the KSEX sign up, the smallest fees in the entire crypto game. They've set the record for it. So if you want to save trading fees and money, use KSEX down below. That's what all serious traders should be doing. Otherwise, you're going to lose money. And I think saving money is the most pragmatic thing to do, especially in today's economy where you're always getting eaten up by inflation and losing money. So let's try and save some money. Alchemy Pay, Brett now available for purchases via Alchemy Pay's fiat on-ramp. So I do think Brett will be making its way soon to an all-time high. Really hope it. Not financial advice, of course, but I feel it. Also, they're doing real-life things. A NASCAR event in Brazil. This dude here pushing and advertising some of the Brett. They had a big sort of sponsorship going on for Brett. He's actually wearing Brett on his racing gear as well. That's really, really cool to see. So yeah, Brett coin number 1. Coin number 2 will be No Man's Land. No Man's Land is a new philanthropic movement mission meme coin, which entails incredible risk, where the actual meme coin developer, Daniel Eggington, could lose his life in the process. He's just started mission 1. They are now in Brazil. They're in Brazil and they're going to do a 500-mile bike ride. It's also going to entail crazy things like going through favelas, helping out micro communities, indigenous people. And yeah, I'm very excited about this. So they're going to do all these things. They're going to go through the Darien Gap. And this is just mission 1. There's 6 missions. For every mission, there will be a token burn when the mission gets completed. Second mission is the cold Arctic in Sweden. Then you've got the Morocco ancient sands. They're going to uncover the lost city of Atlantis. And then you've also got mission 4, the Hunza Peak in Pakistan, doing some things around the mountains there, which just looks insane. Then you've got Sichuan as well, which will be another one over here with high risk, big strenuous trails, massive ridges, and a lot of danger in terms of nature as well. And then the most dangerous of them all, Dan will be out there in Siberia doing 2,000 miles. So this is already trading on Solana, 1 billion supply, contract renounced, and you can see there's a bit of selling pressure at the sort of $9 to $10 million market capital, but I do really think that once we retest a few more times, you're not going to get any more selling pressure because there'll be no one to sell at that level anymore. It's just going to be new buyers, new holders, and a new floor will be set. Now, of course, this is a low market cap gem, $8 million market cap, 385k liquidity, only 1.64k holders. And so far, the last 2 weeks of this coin, the trajectory has been amazing. So if you do want to hold a long-term coin with a real life fully doxed team behind it that have got their faces out there, which usually people don't, and you can see you got Jake and also Dan, then do check this one out because I do think it is very, very cool. It's a Solana coin, so I'll definitely leave the link down below. Make sure you follow them on Twitter. Make sure you kind of understand what's going on with this ecosystem and do a bit of research on the token because they definitely deserve some more attention. I think doing what they're doing, no one else is doing this. So No Man's Land, link down below, could be that next 10 to 100x. And lastly, we've got Pepe Unchained. Only 23 days, 21 hours to go until this one is launched. 38.1 million raised. That is insane. That is one of the biggest raises we've ever seen in the crypto space. It says last chance to buy before tier 1 exchange listings, guys. This could be Coinbase, this could be Binance or Robinhood. Either way, they should have some big exchanges up their sleeve now. This has been a 6-month running pre-sale, roughly about 5 months actually, but yeah, a lot of benefits of the ecosystem. So you've got a layer 2 ecosystem which provides a DEX Explorer, a bridge, a block explorer. You've got staking, developer grants, all those benefits imbued within one meme coin ecosystem, and of course a massive community of 53,000 followers backing this project at the same time. So like I say, bullish. I think it's going to be good. They just had their layer 2 audit complete as well, which shows that they're super secure, scalable, and they're absolutely ready to be building on. If you want to check this one out, the link is down below. Pepe Unchained. All you do is connect a wallet like MetaMask, convert Ethereum or Tether directly into the desired amount of Pepe Unchained tokens you want, and then wait until the pre-sale goes live, claim the tokens from the website, then you can sell them, hold them, or do whatever you want with them. Fingers crossed this will be a good one, and remember, this is not financial advice, but do check it out down below. There's 8 billion tokens, 40% are sold in the pre-sale. They've got a very bullish roadmap, which again is very, very long term as well. One Pepu is $0.012895, but as they raise more money, the price will be going up as well. So very, very greedy markets, guys. Extremely greedy markets. I know FOMO is real. I know it's hard to resist FOMOing into things, and a lot of people do, unfortunately, FOMO into a lot of things. But I think still now is a good time in the markets, and we're going to see a lot of continuation in these crypto markets. Before we leave, make sure you do consider becoming a patron if you're someone that wants to make more money. Otherwise, if you don't want to make more money, you can just skip out on this altogether. It's completely fine. And I would say, to summarize, we had coin number 1 as Brett coin, coin number 2 as No Man's Land, and coin number 3 as Pepe Unchained, layer 2 ecosystem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Subscribe, like, comment if you want to hit your crypto goals this coming bull run. Peace.